Hello students, welcome to Sourav sir's classes. The question is, arrange the words given below in a meaningful sequence. 1 probation, 2 interview, 3 selection, 4 appointment, 5 advertisement and 6 application. So the correct sequence is 5 advertisement, 6 application, 2 interview, then 3 selection, then 4 appointment, then 1 probation. So the correct option is option C, that is 5, 6, 2, 3, 4 and 1. The next question is, which word does not belong with others? Option A dodge, option B flee, option C duck and option D avoid. Now dodge, duck and avoid are synonyms of evade, whereas flee means to run away. So option B is the correct answer. The next question is, in the following question, 2 statements are given followed by 4 conclusions, numbered 1, 2, 3 and 4. You have to take the given statements to be true even if they seem to be at variance from the commonly known facts and then decide which of the given conclusions logically follows from the given statements disregarding the commonly known facts. Statements are all politicians are honest and all honest are fair. Then conclusions are some honest are politicians. Statement 2, no honest is politician. Statement 3, some fair are politicians. And statement 4, all fair are politicians. So, if say I would represent these by diagrams, all politicians are honest. So if this is politician, if this is the group politician, then for honest, so this is honest. Since all politicians are honest, so honest people would always contain politicians, all politicians, and then all honest are fair. So let this be fair. So again, all honest are fair. Then what are the conclusions? Statement 1, some honest are politicians. Yes, this is true. Since some honest, these politicians form a group of some honest people. So statement 1 is true. Then statement 2, no honest is politician. This is incorrect. Statement 3, some fair are politicians. This is correct since fair contains some politicians. In statement 4, all fair are politicians. This is incorrect because fair also have different people, different groups of people. So option D is the correct answer. That is only 1 and 3 follow.